So a customer wants an Uthi doorbell camera fitted. And this one, you can put a memory card in it, so you don't have to have a subscription. This is what I'm told. We're going to find out once we set it all up. So let's check, see what's in the box. Right, so what it comes with, let's open her up and tip her out. So we've opened it up and we've got these two little leads to get 12 volt, because we're going to give it a main supply as well from this. But look at that, had to be a white cable. So we've got that for the main supply, that to charge it up also, so I'm assuming it's got a battery backup. This is everything in there, which is for European possibly, so we can just shove this on there, he says, to go that way. There we go, the UK doorbell. Is that an SD card in there as well? So I might need an SD card in that. And then the doorbell. Here she is. Right, so we'll open that up. Sugar. Let's take this off. Take all the stickers off. Keep that. And what we'll do for now is put this on charge. Because the last thing you want is to get it all installed and it's flat. So whilst we're installing the cable and the other bits, I'm going to plug this in and put it on charge. Just in there like that with USB-C. And let's plug it in. But then we've got this bracket as well, which comes with a bracket. You can put at an angle. Spot on. We'll do this, put this on the outside wall at an angle. That fits lovely. But then as well, does it come with an SD card? Does it heck? Right, so we've got to put an SD card in there as well. And now we've plugged this in, it comes up with a red light saying it's flat. So yeah, it did need a charge after all. So we're gonna let's get a light on it. We really want a hole through here then, somewhere, what's all this, to go outside. Yeah, let's go above that skirting, shall we? Or scrap it, should we go through it? Yeah, let's get a hole down here for the outside, for the cable to go out to start with. And what we're going to do, we're going to put a socket up there for it to power it, and then it will go outside along here and sit up, yeah, sort of here, I suppose, to pick someone up at a nice angle. It would be nice to go on the inside wall and chase it in, but nah, it's not going to happen. We're going to use the big one with a decent SDS. Here we go. And we've come through. Not a bad angle. Go straight along there. Whatever that is. What is that? TV cable. So we'll straighten that up. Get rid of that slack. There we go. She's in. Ish. So I reckon I'm going to put it at the same height as the other doorbell, probably a bit lower, but just enough to get that cable to come up. Really, it wants to go straight into the bottom. I want to do it there then. So let's do this. An angle there. Oh, sugar. And that cable's going to go into there. The cable wants to go through there. Right, well I want plenty of cable inside there because I can chop that down. But this is only carrying, what, a 12 or 24 volt to charge it. So, let's get rid of that. and then this I want to be able to get in and then make sure I don't go through with that screw. To start with, so then that can go off centre. Right, too bad, ain't too bad, but we're going to fill that with a bit of CT1 as well, stop the water getting in. There we go, that's tight, and make sure it's the right way up, so that little clips are at the bottom, this side up, it says on there, so you can't get it wrong. Right, so the cable is in and clipped to the outside. Just got to let that battery charge up before I mount the doorbell. But now I want to get this to sort of here. It's not ideal, but we've got to try and get this cover off. Look at that, gas pipe in the way. What a nightmare. So if we get this, I ain't got a clue. Hopefully no one's done that other side up, so we can just pull the cover off. Well, it turns out we've got a 16, a 40, 32, another 32 and a 16 again. So yeah, we've got spare ways that we can use for my socket. But look at it. Right, so I'm going to mount the double socket up here with a quick fix JB to connect the 12 volt to. It's not fantastically ideal, but needs must. So I'm going to open this up, get rid of this. And what we will do is come in right over at the end. So let's knock these out. Get my little pencil or pen. There we go. And look at that, there had to be a chase there. I want to come in nice in there, inside this cupboard. So let's get that in there and that in there. Oh man, I can't even see it. That one. And then we're going to want to open this up to be able to connect up the 12 volt, which can go straight in there. So let's fix this up there and this in there. It's a bit of a tight gap. There we go, a couple of screws to be able to get it. And as you can see, all these cables that went up are no longer going up. So I think that none of these cables come out this board and go up. I think, and I hope. So it turns out hoping and praying that there is no cables going up there was an advantage. So now, just a second, fix this socket. And luckily, we have Doncaster cable. How much better is this? No earth sleeving. Get that out of there. And that off there. Leave plenty on it because it's tight in here. There we go. Get rid of that. I'm not going to earth this back box because it's plastic and I'm not an idiot. Right, well that's all in and that's back on. This socket's on. You're going to have to trust me when I say it's lovely in there and neat. But then this is for this one now, look. So, RCD-protected socket on the 16 amp fuse, or MCB even. So then now we've got a supply for the doorbell. But what we want to do now is connect the 12 volt or 24, we'll check, up into this. Oh, the screws are coming out of the wall. And all that's going to be in this box is a connection from the transformer to the doorbell. So just going to give it a bit of a twist, put it on away go, nice and in there, perfect. And it's going to have to go into there and into that plug. So this is what we've got. We've got a 24 volt transformer, so that should go into there and straight into there. We don't need all of this, so we can chop this off and we will shut that up and put a couple of cable ties in for that. Maybe put a little sticker on there saying doorbell supply. Right, so now we want this end to connect up, and there's never a lot of room inside here, so I'm going to try something. That. And you're not really going to get a couple of Wagos in there nicely, so they come with these. Look at this, American style. So let's get that off of there, twist them together. And what are these like? I've never really used these. For 24 volt, I think they'll be alright. And look, that will sit in there. Oh, freaking still wet. Nicely. Yeah, let's use them. That. So then we'll twist these together. Look a bit small in there. But they didn't do a bad job. They pull out. Nope. Nope. And then this can go straight onto the doorbell. Oh, an SD card might be handy. Stick one of them in. So then for the SD card, we just want to pull this rubber bit down, get a little micro SD card, and I'm thinking, how does this go in? It's a bit tight. Well, you've got to push it down and open it up. And then, right, so all I want to do with this now then as well is connect up the 24 volt, so don't have to change the battery. So put this on here. I think if it mattered what side they went on, then they would be colour coded, but they're not. So they're in there. And then all we've got to do is lock this on. Is that right? Oh, it's not very tight, is it? But I think it's because of these. Just get these in here. Get that located on there. And there we go. That is in. Well, from the Apple store. Effie, built with care. Take time. Yeah, allow that. Agree and continue. Right, let's sign up. Right, we're all signed up. Now we need to skip this and add device. Allow. Oh, they do all sorts. I didn't know that. Video doorbell. Oh, and a doorbell chime. Right. So we're going to scan this. Connect with Wi-Fi. Yes. Please insert an SD card. That is inserted. Allow. On my location. Now I'll put the password in. Right, now on the actual doorbell, let's press the sync button till we hear a beep. I heard a beep. We'll generate a QR code for your doorbell to see. Okay, well, I ain't going to see with that on. Eight inches.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Please wait.
It's connecting to the Wi-Fi network.
Setup was successful.
Is that it? Is that how easy it actually is? Right, let's see if it works. I forgot, I got to add the chime as well. So if we add device, smart storage, smart doorbell, doorbell chime. Oh sugar, where's that? That's on the base. There we go, it's got it. Plug it back in. Next. Yep, we plug that on. Sync on the top.
Wi-Fi doorbell chime is ready for setup.
Ready for setup. Join it to the network. So there you go. That's your FE doorbell installed. And no, you don't need to subscribe to an iCloud or something. It's got a memory card in it, and it's spot on. You can recover all the videos. It depends what size memory card you put in, but yeah, it works well.